Being 45, I've been curious about some longevity supplements, but I just didn't want to take any old thing, and I just wanted one that I would actually notice a difference. When this was kindly sent to me so I could test it out, I have been consistently taking it since I got it, so I've been taking it all week long. They offer 2 different flavors, so one is orange and the other is unflavored, as I have them flip-flopped. Get 30 servings, but what really piqued my interest is these are tested in the best type of study, so in double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled human trial. It targets the hallmarks of aging, supports energy and focus, heart and vascular support. All you do is put it into some water, and I just have a little frother and mix it up. I'll show you the difference because color-wise, you cannot really tell a difference so much between the orange and the unflavored. My favorite personally is the unflavored, but my husband prefers the orange better. Of course, ask your doctor about any supplement, but I can honestly say I feel more alert and focused personally all week since I've been taking this. I definitely feel like there's something in here that is either providing a little bit of steady energy for me or just more alertness. I know everybody's different. It's definitely something you and your doctor will have to talk about, but I am really, really loving this. And I'm not one who really notices a difference per se with like vitamins and supplements. The ingredients are so clean, and every ingredient is there for a reason and is scientifically studied and there for a reason. This can possibly help so much: cellular renewal, mitochondrial energy, calm focus, hydration, stress resilience, and more.